What Steve is trying to cut butter with a grater.
I'm Steve. I'm from Oklahoma. I'm a magician.
Is this an onion?
If you asked me to magically produce some food, right? I mean, we could do that. But if you were to ask me to cook a plate of food, I'm clueless.
This is mine. I gotta crack it open.
The venues where I perform have spoiled me. They always give me special treatment and free food.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
What did that poor chicken do to you that you're murdering it? I just saw you doing.
I was crack it open. The inside would cook better.
All right. That's a theory.
Yes, the go-to takeout dish that I'm making is chicken cordon bleu.
That is the mixture for chicken cordon bleu. I've also got French bread. I did a little history of this.
Where did you get this French bread? What did you do to this?
When I had to get it in the microwave, it was curved.
Oh, you microwaved it.
I had no
Got it.
Oh, did I do that wrong? Oh my God. I don't think I've ever seen a cabbage before, apparently. This thing is huge. Like, why is it so big? Oh my God, this is so dangerous. This knife is not going through the cabbage.
No, wait. You're gonna hurry. I'm on it. You're really dangerous.
Okay, sorry. Everyone here is spoiled, but the nepo babies are a whole nother level. But they're cute.
Whoops.
I don't really know what you smash chicken with.
You couldn't find the mallet?
What does that mean? Oh, that's not nice.
What you making?
I am making a fried chicken sandwich. My vision of heaven is a lot of beautiful fried chicken sandwiches just floating around that, again, you can just grab it when you're hungry.
There we go. I needed something to stir with.
Steve has the hand mixer, but it's not plugged in or turned on.
That's it. There we go.
And he thinks he's doing this right.
You got it. Yeah, you're killing it, Steve. You got it.
Let's go.
I don't make cocktails, but I am handed this churny, wooden, wannabe spoon. It's not a spoon, it's a knife. It's not a knife.
I didn't know.
Oh, this is cute.
I don't know, it's like another torture tool that is something you would drill. That's what it is. It's a torture drill.
Just be squeezy.
How much juice?
I pick up this wood thing. It looks like a dagger thing, and you're like, stab vampires.
Maybe I should have taught them how to use a reamer.
Salad time. I have to make a salad with all these things that I've never heard of. And so I grab a mandolin, but I associate it with like a musical instrument. How are you supposed to do this? That's crazy.
Joel, slow down. Joel is about to crush his finger. But inside, I'm freaking out.
But I don't like the standing mixer. I actually think of it as like a torture chamber. You gotta get the speed and it turns and it's fast and do all these things and you gotta lock the bowl.
Oh my God.
The bowl could come flying out and kill you. So much.
Oh, shit. I can't even watch my own team because I'm watching Erica. Oh.
This machine kicking my All right. Here come his aim, laughing at me.
I had it on.
All right.
But she saved me. My girl always saved me.